Aloha, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today, guys. Bullet Train Surprise. Let's see. Tour. Joker Tour. Okay. Wow, that was nice. Bro, man, their facial nice. Bro, what is this setup? Looks sick, right? Wow. 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 Nice vocal. Oh my god. Oh my god. That can spice up. Look at the music. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sick. Whoa. Whoa. Sim. Yes. Oh my god, this is sick with music. Wow, love it. It's so catchy. Oh, okay. The Sanjay guy's energy is something different. La 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 la. Wow. Wow. Okay. Terror killing so hard. Wow. Wow. Oh, like that. Okay. Oh my. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Ooh, they're back to bully chatting. That was a good, love it. Anyway, guys, let's end. If you guys want more about them, please comment down and take yourself, guys, and bye bye.